Hello traders, I welcome you to E-marketTubeFX. In this video, I want to walk you guys through how you can create a verified Binance account which will enable you to access all the features of Binance. So if you want to have access to free in token, just check the description of this video. You see my link there. You load it up, then you click on sign up. So after you click on sign up, it will bring you to this interface where you are supposed to key your email address, an active email address of which you can access the inbox. So all you need to do is to key the email address where you see the cursor blinking. Then you accept the terms and conditions by clicking the button that you see there. Then you click on continue, where it will take you to this interface. So at this point, Binance have sent a verification code to my email account, of which you need to check. If when you are creating your own, you need to check the inbox and pick the code. Then you come back to the Binance system. Then you input, either you type there or you paste. Then you are good to go. So at this point, I'm just copying the code, the verification code given, so that I can paste on the Binance system to continue with the account creation. So if you're able to do it right, the system will automatically load it up, then it will take you to the next interface. So I've done with that. At this point, I'm supposed to create a password. So with the password, you'll be given a range of 8 to 128 characters. Yes, 8 to 128 characters. So it means it shouldn't be below 8. So with this, you are supposed to key, or the password that you create should also have a feature of what? At least one number, then also an uppercase letter. So it should be alphanumeric password that you are going to create. You can also add a symbol there to make it strong. So at this point in time, you are to create a strong password which will be very difficult for anybody to guess. So no date of birth in there. Don't bring your year of birth in there. So an alphanumeric password that you are supposed to create, a very solid one. So you need to think of the password that you are going to create, so that next time if you want to have access to your account, there wouldn't be any challenge. Yes, Binance system is very solid. So that is it. So at this point in time, I just want to create my password, a strong password there, so that at any given point in time I want to access my account, I can easily access, of which no one can also get. So as you can see, I've nearly typed the password there. Then it means all the features, the requirement, all ticked green. So now you click on continue to take you to the next interface. Remember, you are with E-marketTubeFX and you are with your trader Henry Ampimdako. So at this point in time, all the sets account created, the system is asking, browser asking whether I want to save the password. No, of which I recommend to you not to save your password on your device. So at this point in time, the account is set. What we need to do now is to verify. So for you to verify the account to enable you access all the features on Binance, all you need to do is to click on the profile icon you see at the top right corner there, to bring you to this interface where you click on dashboard. So after clicking on dashboard, you have access to this interface where you see verify now. So what do you have to do? You have to click on the verify now to take you to the next interface where you upload either your Ghana card. I'm from Ghana, so the country where you are, the ID that you use over there, that is what we are going to use to do the KYC. So at this point in time, we are about to do the KYC, meaning know your customer. That is what we're about to do. So if you are in Ghana, you can use a Ghana card. You can either use the passport or driver's license. So as you can see the document there, so the system has automatically detected that I'm from Ghana. So as you can see, country of residence is there. So at this point in time, all you need to do is to select one of these documents that you are going to use. So if you are to go by the Ghana card, then the system will take me to this point. Yes, so at this point in time, I've selected Ghana card. So here, either you take the photo direct, or you pick an existing document, an existing photo of the ID that you have on your phone, front and back, because we are going to upload both on the system to allow us to do the verification. So at this point in time, when all you need to do is to select the first option. When you click on the first option, the system will take you to your phone memory to access where the ID is. Yes, the photo of it, where it is. So at this point in time, I'm in my phone memory, the gallery, to access the photo of the Ghana card that I need to upload. So you just select the front page. Take note, you select the front page first, then when fully uploaded, then you select the back page. You select the back page. So you just allow the system to load up. Then when it's done, you go to the next. So at this point in time, the front page is fully loaded. You just click on the second to upload the back page. So remember, you are with E-marketTubeFX and you are with your trader Henry Ampimdako. So the back page is neatly selected, just waiting for the system to load it up. Then we are good to go. So at this point in time, both front and back page fully uploaded. All you need to do now is hit on continue for the system to take you to the next phase of the verification. So at this point in time is where you are supposed to do the facial verification. Yes, Binance want to know their customers, so you need to do the facial verification, where Binance is going to take a facial details of you. So you see an animator on your phone screen guiding you whether you are to shake your head to the left or shift your head to the right, or you open your eyes or your mouth. So all you need to do is to follow the instruction given to you on your screen. So for you to proceed, you need to allow the Binance system to have access to your phone camera or whatever device that you are using to do the verification. You need to allow Binance to have access to the device camera. So you just click on enable to allow access for Binance to access the device camera to continue with the facial verification. Remember, at this point in time, it's very important. So all you need to do is to just find yourself against a wall, an open place where you can neatly do so. It is done at this point in time. So at this point, all you need to do is confirm the details. And one interesting thing about the Binance system is that if you upload your document clearly, you upload clear documents to them where they can have access to the details on the card, they themselves will pick the first name, your second name. If you have a middle name, they will pick, then your date of birth, then your postal address or your resident address. They will pick everything from the card. So at this point, all you need to do as the customer creating the account is to confirm the details that they pick. So at this point in time, that is what I'm doing. So you just have to confirm that whatever they pick there is correct. Where you have to do changes, you do changes before finally you proceed to the next phase, because that is the last stage of the verification that you are supposed to. At this point in time, I've confirmed everything, so I've clicked on continue. So now, after you click on continue, Binance will give a notification, as you can see on the screen, under review. What it means is that the document provided, they are going to review it. After the review, you will see a notification in your email account informing you that account verification is successful. If it is not successful and you are supposed to do it again, you will see the notification in your email account. So at this point in time, as that section is done, you have access to your account